If a toddler can speak fluent Chinese without learning any grammar, so can you. In the following lessons, we're going to learn how to say, Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. How about you?
No, I didn't. I had a nightmare.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you. First, let's learn how to say good morning in Chinese. 早上好. Please repeat after me. 早上好. One more time. 早上好. 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 Let's say it faster. 早上好. 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 Please practice a few times after class. In the next lesson, we are going to learn how to express, Did you sleep well? Don't forget to give me a thumb up and share this video. Be sure to follow my channel. Thank you for your support. I'll see you in the next class.